This is the financial brief. What happens when two trillion-dollar companies run by the same man try to become one? The SpaceX IPO hasn't even happened yet, and already the biggest question on Wall Street isn't about the listing. It's about what comes after. Elon Musk is reportedly discussing the possibility of merging SpaceX with Tesla, a combination that would create what could be the most valuable company on Earth. SpaceX is expected to begin trading on the Nasdaq in roughly 2 weeks, carrying a private market valuation of $1.25 trillion. Tesla's market cap sits at significant levels as well. Combined, we're talking about a nearly $3 trillion entity. Now, here's what matters. The two companies already share resources extensively, from engineering talent to power infrastructure. A current Tesla employee told CNBC that workers have long expected this move, and the topic is openly discussed internally. Shared challenges around power and compute have led to regular collaborations between the firms. But don't assume this is a done deal. Regulatory hurdles would be enormous. Antitrust authorities would scrutinize a combination spanning electric vehicles, space launch, satellite internet, and artificial intelligence. For investors, the signal is clear. Musk is building a conglomerate, not just a collection of companies. Whether the merger happens in 2 years or 5, the strategic gravity pulling these businesses together is real. Watch how SpaceX prices on day one, because that valuation sets the table for everything that follows. Turning to semiconductors, Micron just joined one of the most exclusive clubs in global markets. The memory chip maker hit a $1 trillion market capitalization for the first time on Tuesday, after shares surged 19% in a single session. That's not a typo. 19% in one day for a company now worth $1 trillion. The catalyst is straightforward but powerful. A global memory shortage, driven almost entirely by artificial intelligence demand, is forcing prices higher and sending investors scrambling for exposure beyond Nvidia. Micron's stock has more than tripled year-to-date, and it's not alone. SK Hynix in South Korea crossed the $1 trillion mark on Wednesday too, soaring 11%. The AI boom has entered a new phase. The market's obsession with graphics processors is expanding into central processing units and memory, the components needed to actually run and process agentic AI workloads. That shift is a structural change, not a temporary spike. Memory makers like Micron, SK Hynix, and Samsung now have pricing power they haven't enjoyed in years, with long-term agreements locking in partially fixed pricing. Here's the thing though, semiconductors are famously cyclical. The last time memory prices spiked this hard, the correction was brutal. For investors, the question isn't whether AI demand is real. It clearly is. The question is whether these valuations already reflect 2 or 3 years of growth that hasn't happened yet. Big moves in tech and the Musk empire. Subscribe to stay ahead. This has been the Financial Brief.